and good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in your e-learning classroom. I think all of you are fine here. Students, first I want to congratulate all of you for your e-newsletter. So many students have done well. I am really very happy to see your hard labor and your activity in this newsletter. So many students have sent it, but the rest of the students, 8, they have not sent. They will send some activity, some work for the further newsletter. During quarantine period, you have so much time and you can keep engage yourself in so much activity. All of you do some work, some activity and send it to your concerned class teacher. Next issue, it will be kept here, it will be given here. So try to do it and send to your class teacher. Students, already syllabus of first term is completed. Your first term examination is very near. Most probably its tentative date is 9th of the September. Not fixed, but it is a tentative date. So I am going to give you revision classes of previous chapter. So first chapter is my body. All of you take out your copy and pencil and start your revision. First, I am going to explain all these things once again. Listen it carefully, then you will write it in your copy. You will learn it and write it in your copy. First question is, write short notes of the following. This type of question will come in your examination. So, short notes is here. All of you will write it, note down it in your copy. I am going to explain such short notes. So, the first topic is digestion. What is digestion? As you know, food contains so many nutrients. They are carbohydrate, protein, fats and other nutrients. These are the complex material, not easily digestible. So it is necessary to break down into simpler forms. It means bigger molecules will come in the smaller form. Then it is easily digestible and it is done by our digestive system, and this process of is called digestion. So breaking up of complex material into simpler form is called digestion. Next one, milk teeth. Newly born baby has no teeth. When the baby is about 6 months old, his or her teeth begin to appear. You can see the teeth of this newly born baby. By the time the baby is 3 years old, he has a set of 20 teeth. These are temporary and are called the milk teeth. Next one, permanent teeth. When a child comes between the age of 6 and 12 years old, means when the baby is at the age of 6 and 12 years, the milk teeth falls down one by one, and in place of that, new one teeth grow. These new teeth are called permanent teeth. In this way, these all are the short notes. You try to write in your copy and then learn it. Next topic is your flat teeth. These teeth are present in front of the mouth. When you open your mouth, you are seeing teeth in front of the mouth. Teeth are called flat teeth. They are flat and are used for biting and cutting of the food. They are known as incisors. There are 4 incisors in upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Next one, pointed teeth. On both sides of the flat teeth, there is a sharp teeth each present. Such teeth are called pointed teeth. They are used for tearing the food. They are also known as canines. There are 4 canines in all. Premolar teeth. They are present at the back of the mouth. They are broad and have grooves in them. Such teeth are used for grinding the food. There are 8 premolars in all, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Already it has been explained earlier. So once again I am going to give you the revision. So listen it carefully. Next one is the molar teeth. The molar teeth comes after the premolar. They are 12 in number, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. These are all about your teeth. Next topic is student tongue. Tongue, it is a soft movable part inside our mouth. It is used for tasting, licking and speaking. It also pushes the food into the food pipe at the time of swallowing. Saliva, it is a juice made by salivary gland. They are present inside of our mouth. It works is to soften the food and it helps in the digestion of food. Next one is the stomach. The stomach is a bag-like organ in which food can be stored for a few hours. When you take your food, it comes into the stomach and it stay here or stored here for a few hours. During this time, food mixes with digestive juice which helps in the digestion of food and it is secreted by the walls of the stomach. The food is partially digested here. Means incomplete digestion occurs in the stomach. Now the small intestine, it is a coil-like structure and the food is mixed with digestive juices which is produced by liver and pancreas. Liver and pancreas secrete the juice and helps in the digestion of the food. Next topic is large intestine. The undigested food which has not been digested, it comes into the white pipe called large intestine. The walls of the large intestine absorbs water and then it passes to the blood. The undigested food is collected in the rectum and it is eliminated through the anus. In this way, this is all about the short notes. Learn it. Next is your keywords. So many keywords are here. You read it, learn it. All the topics have been discussed and write 5 times in your copy. Now student, this is the classwork. I think most of the students have done, but revision is must for the examination. Proper revision will help you to achieve the good marks. So don't worry that we are writing again and again. No matter, you have to write it again and again for the betterment. So your question is write true and false, whether it is true or false. If it is true, write down true. If it is false, then write down false. Your question is food has to be digested before it can be used by the cells. When food is used by the cell, whether it should be digested or not. Yes, it should be digested. Food is taken to all the cells of the body by the blood. Yes, food is sent to all cells of the body by the blood. Digestion of food takes place in the large intestine. No, it is false. All digestive juices are made in the mouth, the stomach and the small intestine. Yes, all the juices are found in mouth, stomach and small intestine and it is true. Next question, write the name of the organ through which food enters into the stomach. Food enters into the stomach through the food pipe. Next question, write the name of the parts of the digestive system. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum. All are the parts of the digestive system. Next question, what is digestion? Breaking of the complex food material into simpler form is called digestion. Next, how many sets of teeth are formed during one's lifetime? As you know, there are two sets of teeth are formed during one's lifetime, and these are the milk teeth and temporary teeth. Now question, what are milk teeth? Milk teeth are temporary teeth. These are appear first after about 1 and 2 years of birth. How many milk teeth one has? There are 20 milk teeth one has. What are permanent teeth? Teeth which appears after falling of the milk teeth are called permanent teeth. Permanent teeth appear between the age of 6 to 12. These are 32 in number. How many permanent teeth one has? There are 32 permanent teeth one has. How many pairs of salivary glands are in the mouth? These are the 3 pairs of salivary glands which is present in the mouth. Question, what is the function of broad and grooved teeth? Broad and grooved teeth help in chewing and grinding of the food. It helps in the grinding. Now what happens to the food when it enters the stomach? Your next question, when food enters in the stomach, it was secrete digestive juice and acid. Acid kills germs and bacteria which is not beneficial, and digestive juice helps in the digestion of food. Next question, why washing of vegetables and fruits before eating is important for us? You can see when your mother, your father bring vegetables and fruits, they wash it in the water. Yes, it is very necessary because unwashed vegetables and fruits carry the germs of disease and which can cause diarrhea, vomiting and other diseases. When you will eat it directly, you can suffer from this type of diseases. Next question, list the precautions that should be taken at the time of eating food. There are so many precautions which you have to follow during the eating food. They are, we should first wash our hands before and after eating. We should eat balanced diet. Balanced diet means all the nutrients present in that diet. There are so many nutrients, you know about it, and when all the nutrients are present in such diet, they are called balanced diet, and we should eat such diet. Next point, we should chew food properly. Not eat your food in hurry. Properly chew it and before swallowing. Then it will help in the digestion of proper digestion of food. We should drink plenty of water. Yes, we should take 8 to 10 glass of water every day. Now my dear students, so many questions of chapter 1 I have given to you. There are so many notes and so many question answer, objective and subjective. All of you will do it. Your next chapter is plant. I have explained this chapter. Once again, I am going to give you short notes. First, what is root? It means you have to define the root. What is it? As you know, it is the underground part of the plant. As the plant grows, it becomes thick and with woody part. You can see the woody part of the plant, and it has a corky outer layer. There are two types of roots. These are tap roots, fibrous roots. Tap root, it is a single root with thin roots arising from it. Plant like beans, rose, ladyfingers, these all have tap roots. And fibrous roots, these are those in which many root arises from the base of the stem. After stem, when you see the roots, so many roots will be, you see, in groups. These are called the fibrous roots. Our fibrous roots tends to taper downwards. Our fibrous roots are found in all cereal, grasses and bananas. Next, functions of the root. As you know, root helps the plant in absorption of water. It holds the plant and keep it upright in the soil. Absorption and fixation are the two main functions of the root, and their roots also perform some special function. Edible root, such root which have thick roots which store food for the plant like radish, carrot and beetroot. These roots are eaten by man and animals and they are called edible roots. Mangrove plants roots. In mangrove plants, roots do not get sufficient oxygen in the marshy area. So, some breathing roots come out of the soil to get fresh air from the atmosphere. Such roots are called aerial roots. Students, related question of this chapter is given here. First question, write the name of the underground part of the plant. As you know, root is the underground part of the plant. Write the name of the different parts of plants. All of you know about it. Root, stem, leaves, branches, flowers and fruits are the different parts of the plant. Next question, how is root important for a plant? Root helps in absorption of water and minerals from the soil. It holds the plant upright in the soil. Write name of some plants having tap roots. Banyan, peepal, neem, mango, etc. have tap roots. Write the example of modified root. Carrot, beet, radish and turnip, etc. are modified root. Write the name of the edible root. Radish, carrot, turnip and beetroot are edible root. Do you know that? Now, students, your next question is, why do some plants have aerial roots? Some plants which grow in the marshy areas do not get sufficient oxygen. There is a lacking of oxygen there. So such plants have aerial roots which come out of the soil for the fresh air. Name the plants which have aerial roots. Banyan, maize and mangrove are the plants which have aerial roots. Write two differences between the taproot and fibrous root. Differences between taproot and fibrous roots. Taproot, it is cylindrical in shape and it is a single root. Fibrous root, it has hair-like structure in shape and there are many roots present in fibrous root. Students, the next question, what is taproot? As you know, taproot is a single root and it is cylindrical in shape. Trees like neem, peepal, mango, banyan and rose have taproot. What is fibrous root? Fibrous root has thin hair-like structure which arises from the base of the stem. It is found in grasses, banana and all type of cereal. Next question, what is the function of root? Root helps a plant to absorb the water and minerals from the soil. It holds the plant upright in the soil. These all are about the roots. Students, the next question is write true or false for the following statement. Root is the underground part of the plant. Do you know? It is the true because it is an underground part of the plant. Grass has taproot. No, this is false because grass has fibrous root. Modified root stores food for plant. Yes, this is true statement because sometimes roots modify themselves for some special function and storage of food is one of the function. Roots which are eaten by man and animals are called edible roots. Yes, this is true. Neem, mango, banyan and peepal have fibrous roots. It is false. They have tap roots. Banyan trees have fibrous roots. No, this is wrong statement. The banyan trees have tap roots. Mangroves are found in marshy areas. This is true. Aerial root give extra support to the plant. It is true statement. Roots help in soil conservation. Yes, it is true. carrot, radish and beets are fibrous roots. First, they have tap roots. Next question is your fill in the blanks. Banyan and maize plants have dash root for extra support. Your answer is here Ariel. Carrot and radish are dash root. Two answers are given here and both are right. First one either edible or tap. Both is right. Now third one, mangroves are found in dash, that is marshy area. Underground part of a plant is called dash root. Fifth one, roots absorb dash and dash from the soil, that is water and mineral. Mango and banyan have dash root. Its answer is tap. Grass and rose have dash root, that is fibrous root. Roots are of two types. There are two types of root, that is taproot and fibrous root. Root holds the plant dash in the soil, that is upright, means straight. This is all about the revision work of chapter 1 and 2. All of you write it in your copy, learn it and revise it again and again, because revision and writing will make you perfect and it will help you in scoring good marks. So all of you will write it in your good handwriting. Okay, have a nice day.